Hello everyone. We are looking at phase 5 chapter matrices exercise 1. So these are questions from exercise 1. So look at the question tells us basically matrix A is given to you and we have to comment on whether A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix or not. You would have already done in the class that if any combination is asked to us and we have to comment on whether it is a symmetric matrix or a skew symmetric matrix, then what do? We start with taking a new matrix. So let's say that B is equal to matrix A plus its transpose. So we can write it as small t or a dash. So B is equal to A plus A transpose. Now, if we want to know whether it is going to be symmetric or a skew symmetric matrix, I hope you remember that if, let's say, a matrix C and transpose of C is equal to C itself, then it is a symmetric matrix. And if transpose of C is equal to minus of C, then it is skew symmetric. So we are going to look at from this point of view. Just a quick revision of what the thing is about. Now, how do we start? We take transpose both sides. So what is the value of B dash? So A plus A dash whole dash. Now we know from our property of transpose that this dash will get distributed over addition or even a subtraction. So what happens here? A dash plus A dash ka dash. Now again, what is transpose of transpose? We get back the matrix, the original one. So it is A dash plus A. So just look at what B dash is. B dash is A dash plus A. Now A dash plus A is nothing but B. Addition may order does not matter. So B dash is equal to B. What is it then? If you take the transpose, you get back the matrix. It is a symmetric matrix. So this basically shows us that A plus A transpose for any square matrix is always a symmetric matrix. Now we will briefly look at what the solution is given to us. So in the solution, this is one way of doing. Now we can also take it element wise. Here I've just done the correction because the printing is not proper here for our recording. So here we can see A plus A dash is nothing but Aij plus Aji because we are taking the transpose. So how do we write the transpose? If Aij is an element, transpose is going to be Aji. So just understand the transpose nomenclature. Now again, another matrix Bij is assumed like how we have done here. So element wise, it is Aij plus Aji. So again, the same thing is being done. Like we took transpose both sides. So similarly, element wise, what is Bji? So Bji is nothing but Aji plus Aij. So we are transposing this and this element. So it becomes this. And if you see, this is nothing but this itself. So this again proves that this combination is giving you nothing but a symmetric matrix. So you can go element wise or you can do this way, whichever is comfortable with you. But this is what I prefer and this is very easy to understand. Thank you.